Come on, baby. She's not happy.
I'm not either.
Yeah, but we can't bring them to a festival with music that's in the RV park. Saki would be going crazy with the noise. You know that. We don't. I think when we bring them camping, we need to go somewhere where it's just us and it's just to see how they do. We don't even have a cat carrier to carry them. You want to claw in a truck?
I'm getting everything we need and we're taking them with us because we're going lots of trips.
Yeah, but I understand that, but not for like the not like I don't think like next week the bike rally. I don't think that's
No, it's too soon. I won't be able to get everything. But now
I think more local trips.
No, we are headed to Hattiesburg, Mississippi for the Pine Belt Music Festival. Tonight is
Yin Yang Twins.
Yep. But we probably won't make that.
Somebody didn't tell me it would take forever to get ready after work.
And then tomorrow is Tracy Lawrence Country. And then Saturday is Saliva.
Oh, past my mom and dad's house. Hey!
Oh, shit.
Oh no, what? What?
I didn't bring the tickets.
Oh, Jesus.
Think I should go get them?
Yeah! Do I think you should go get them?
Ain't no reason why I want them two damn cats ain't them potatoes right back here. Ain't no reason in the world.
Because it's a music festival and Saki, he's super...
Doesn't matter, it's our home. They could be right in the back of our home.
I know, baby, but the festival is on the premises and Saki, he's so sensitive with his hearing that the music will drive him nuts.
You don't even know that. You don't know how far away it's going to be, how loud it's going to be.
Exactly.
It's only for a few hours.
I know, and I don't think...
Excuses.
No. Baby, I don't... Pump up. And we're off again! We forgot the tickets! It said yards away, so keep going yonder, babe. Keep going yonder. So you don't know park or something? I don't know.
No.
What the fuck? How would you know?
How would I know?
How would you know? You booked these. So, okay, so let me tell you what's going on, guys. My hubby likes to book shit and then likes to put it on me that I don't know where we're going. But he doesn't know. He has no clue. None. Zero. Zilch. So how much you know? Zero. Alright, so we're just gonna follow it.
What does it say?
This says SMPDD.
What does it say? I've seen a freaking...
Dude, what the fuck you want from me?
What does it say?
It says SMPDD. Southern Mississippi Planning Development District. Is that what you... He likes to play.
Always.
What, babe? What you said. He said, this is where we want to be. SMDDD, shaking my hair, damn, don't. Or do not. Don't. Wait a while. SMDD, shaking my damn, that's all I got. Damn head?
Apple App Store or Google Play.
We'll say damn twice. Is that what SMDDD stands for?
It's gotta
We
be
get
back
support
there.
from Daily Harvest. I don't
You
know
think? Shaking my damn head. That's what that stands for. Uh-oh. I think the RV just farted. Wildfire farted, babe. Firefox, wildfire fox. Alright. So we in a doom box.
That's a Pearl River Wood Center.
It says Woodall Center. They look just as lost as us. Oh shit, RV farted again. It'll be alright. I think that looks like entryway to me. Yup. The RV's puking. The RV's really sick. So I can't take no more. I gotta pull over.
RV County, Forest County RV Park.
And it says no horses,
That's
babe.
exit.
It says no horses.
You have a horse?
If I did say no, ride a cowboy. No, it says save a horse and ride a cowboy. This must be what you're talking about, the covered. Oh yeah.
No, those are the horses.
Oh, I thought that was the covered pavilion.
It's the horse boy.
Well, everything's open, so there can't be any horses in there because every single stall is open.
There must not be no horses in there.
Well, I mean, how are we supposed to save a cowboy if we ain't got a horse? Now it just pissed on itself. I feel like you should stop and ask somebody.
This is it. We just got found a spot.
Are you freaking kidding me? This is our fucking... Oh! This is our spot. For real?
I mean, yeah. I mean, any spot you want.
Well, yeah, pick one right on the lake. Let's see who looks the coolest. That dog seems cool. I said we get out and see who responds. If anybody says, hey! I think we should get out and say, we're from Chalmette. And see if anybody says, me too. And we follow that goes. And then we park our RV. That sounds like a plan, huh? What you think, babe? Man with a plan?
No.
Well, no. You know who I think we should park next to? Anybody that's still out past 10 o'clock on a Thursday. And there's nobody out. So nobody's cool.
Well, they might be at the festival.
The festival didn't look open. I really don't. I want to park next to somebody cool.
I mean, we ain't parking next to anybody, babe. That's just...
Well, then get right here. Go way out. And then we'll invite people to park next to us. Once we go make friends at the festival. That's how we do.
Like right here, you think?
Yeah, it's away from everybody and we can go to the festival. We got all this parking place. Come park them next to us. We
Right
cool.
at the entrance.
Yup. Let's do it. Let's do it, baby.
We like to party, rock the party. We like to party, rock the party. Brad Stewart likes to party, man. Paul Crosby on drums. Wait. We got some party pants on tonight. That's what I like to see right here. 2 hands up like this. Come on. It's very easy. Nobody here is too old or too cool to rock and roll with us tonight. You've been cooped up in your house for like over a year and shit. It's alright to let it out every once in a while. With the masses, throwing my matches up top. Let me see your hands up. Shine, 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 Mississippi. Get on. Take a ride, take a ride, yeah. Take a ride, baby.
Hey, how's everybody doing tonight? We had a lot of fun. We went to the Saliva concert, which I didn't even know I liked, but I did. I really, really liked it. I had so much fun. And Chris, he jumped the fence. Well, not really a fence, but he jumped a barricade. And I was scared too. I don't know why I was scared, but I was. And the guy next to me said, "Oh no, they don't care if you do." I said, "Okay, well then I will too." So I moved the barricade. I didn't jump it per se, but I moved the barricade a little bit and I went too. So then we were like, we have fun, yay. But I had so much fun at this concert. So Saki's heart's like, oh god damn it. She's back. She's dancing. Hey my boy, I love you. I love you. I love you so much. You like camping, you love it, huh? My princess, she's hot. Really, Sophia? For real? Saki won't even look. He's like, get her away. Get her away, Papa, get her away. You love me, Saki, really? Come and talk to me. He's like, no. Please, no. Please, no. He said, please, no. Sophia. Did she really just jump and hide?
Mm-hmm.
She really did. That's so wrong. I can't believe she did that. But I don't know, cause my cats are being assholes. That doesn't rhyme. That doesn't even rhyme. That makes no freaking sense.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Now let me see you put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Yeah. I might just lose it. I might just have to go stupid. Hey.